This week's grammar, we're working on a and an. So if you look at your Thursday work, you're going to see this paper right on the back. Well, I accidentally made a mistake and gave you the same paper as I did earlier in the week. So you can cross this page out. You don't have to do this at all. What we're going to do is just go through this presentation really quick. Once you've watched it, just click the green check. That's it. You don't have to do the paper. You don't have to take a picture of it. Just watch this, green check. All right, so a and an. We use a before a word that begins with a consonant. So here's an example, a hound. Now remember, a consonant is any letter that is not a vowel. We use an before a word that begins with a vowel. So example here, an ape. So do you remember what our vowels are? Remember, we're A, E, I, O, U. We're the vowels, we're the glue. We stick the words together. We're very sticky letters. So if you can't remember, you can sing that song. Just remember A, E, I, O, and U. If your word starts with any of those vowels, do not use an A, use the word an. We use a or an to describe one person, place, or thing. So only one. So an example, I see a dog on the playground. If you notice, the word after a is dog and it starts with D, which is a consonant. There you go. So I see an oak tree. If you notice, the word after an is oak and it starts with an O. And so we would use an. A clown did funny tricks. And right after a, we have the word clown. Clown starts with a C, which is a consonant. So we would use a. An eagle flew to the nest. If you can't, my video might be in the way. See if that works. An eagle flew to the nest. So the word after an is eagle. And eagle starts with an E, which means we would use the word an because eagle is a vowel. So now that you've been reminded what a and an are and when we use them, make sure you click that green check and you are done with this assignment.